Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into some of the most mind-bending topics in science: quantum mechanics, string theory, and calculus. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds way too complicated. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down in a way that makes sense. Let's start with quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is the science of the super small like atoms and particles. Imagine you're playing a game of hide and seek, but every time you look for your friend, they're in a different spot. That's kind of how particles behave. They don't follow the same rules as the big objects we see every day. For example, in the quantum world, particles can be in two places at once. We call this superposition, and they can even teleport from one place to another. That's quantum tunneling. It's like magic, but it's real science. Why does this matter? Well, quantum mechanics is the reason we have things like computers, lasers, and even MRI machines. It's the foundation of modern technology. Now, let's talk about string theory. This is a theory that tries to explain everything in the universe. Yes, everything. Imagine the universe is like a giant symphony. In string theory, every particle like electrons or quarks is actually a tiny, vibrating string. Just like different musical notes come from different vibrations, these strings create all the particles and forces we see in the universe. But here's the catch. String theory says there are more dimensions than the three we're used to: up, down, left, right, forward, backward. Some versions of the theory suggest there could be 10 or even 26 dimensions. It's like our universe is a giant, multi-layered cake, and we're only seeing one slice of it. Finally, let's talk about calculus. I know, math can be intimidating, but calculus is actually super useful. It's the math of change, how things grow, shrink, or move over time. Think of it like this. If you're driving a car, calculus helps you figure out how fast you're going at any moment. That's derivatives. Or how far you've traveled over time. That's integrals. Calculus is everywhere. It's used to design bridges, predict the weather, and even model the spread of diseases. It's like a secret language that helps us understand the world. So, quantum mechanics explains the weirdness of the tiny world, string theory tries to tie everything in the universe together, and calculus helps us understand how things change. These topics might seem complicated, but they're all about asking big questions and finding answers. And here's the coolest part. You don't have to be a scientist to appreciate how amazing this stuff is. The universe is full of mysteries, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding it. So, keep asking questions, stay curious, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one to solve the next big mystery. Thanks for watching.